Hey, good morning, my friend. Today we start the day together in English. Imagine you wake up and you think in English. You brush your teeth and you speak English. You make coffee and you understand every word. Today we practice together, slowly, calmly.
In this episode, I will share my morning routine. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. You can listen. You can repeat. You can shadow me.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your morning routine in English. Here is a question for you. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Keep this answer in your mind. We will use it soon.
I wake up. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I wake up when my alarm rings. I wake up. Repeat. I wake up. Sometimes I feel sleepy. Sometimes I feel fresh. When I wake up, I stretch my body. I sit up slowly. I take a deep breath. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30. I feel sleepy. I feel fresh. I stretch my body. Good.
Start the day on the right foot. This means start the day in a good way. I want to start my day on the right foot. Repeat, start the day on the right foot. I brush my teeth. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. Repeat, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I smile. Sometimes I feel tired, but I say to myself, today is a good day. Repeat. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. Do you brush your teeth before breakfast or after breakfast? Tell me later in the comments.
I make coffee. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. Repeat, I make coffee. The coffee smells good. The kitchen is quiet. The morning is peaceful. I sit down at the table. I drink my coffee slowly.
Idiom 2. Wake up and smell the coffee. This means pay attention. Be ready. Repeat. Wake up and smell the coffee. Sometimes I also eat breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink water. Repeat. I make coffee. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast.
Last year, my mornings were very different. I woke up late. I checked my phone immediately. I felt stressed. One day, I decided to change. Now, I wake up slowly. I stretch. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. Small changes, big difference. My morning feels calm. My mind feels clear. Maybe your morning can change too.
Simple present practice. Now we practice present simple. Listen first, then repeat. I wake up at 6:30. You wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. You brush your teeth. I make coffee. You make coffee. Notice, no S with I and you. Now say your sentence. I wake up at blank. I brush my teeth at blank. I make coffee at blank. Very good.
Today, do these 3 small actions. 1. Tomorrow morning, say 3 sentences in English. Example. I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I make coffee. 2. Record your voice for 1 minute. Listen again. Improve. 3. Write 1 sentence in the comments. I wake up at small steps every day. That is the key. Practice makes perfect. This means practice helps you improve. Repeat. Practice makes perfect.
Today, you practiced listening. You practiced speaking. You practiced thinking in English. You are improving.
If this episode helps you, please subscribe. It helps this channel grow. Write in the comments. I start my day in English. Share this episode with one friend. Let's grow together.
See you in the next slow English practice. Have a peaceful morning.